Hello, in today's quick tutorial I will show you how to add a PayPal button on GoDaddy. So let's get started. When you log into your GoDaddy account, when you go to your website builder, you want to put a PayPal button. So you will go on your page whenever you want and you will add a section. You will find a space like this and you will add a section. I will add it here for example, and then on the search bar you will type for buttons. When you type for buttons, you will find them here. You will click on it and choose this layout, the one and only layout for buttons. When you click it, you click add. And of course, you can use 4 buttons or more buttons, you can add them, or you can just use one and delete the other ones like this. You click on the button and then you go to the right corner to delete it. And I will delete 3, only left 1. And when you have left only 1, you can of course put everything that you want in here, or you can just delete it. You can go here and delete it on the other way. When you go to buttons like this, when you click it, you can put a button label, like if it's for PayPal, you can put PayPal. You can put PayPal and you can link to it to a page or to a website URL, and you will link it to a website URL. Here is the URL, and you will put your URL from your PayPal. When you put them there, when people click on it, they will be put to your PayPal account on another page and then can pay you over it. And guys, this is a quick tutorial how to add a PayPal button on GoDaddy. I hope it was helpful and it was enjoyable and quick. If it helps out, please leave a like and subscribe. If you need something, of course, you can ask in the comments or visit our channel down below for any other tutorial. I hope you have a great day and see you in the next one. Bye!